It's your boy Womobiles back here with another video, and today we got a new project. One of my dream bikes, actually. This is a 2011 Yamaha TTR 110E. This is the sign. I'll show you guys can really see. I'll turn the bike a little bit. That's how everything looks. So I got this bike and the bike is wrecked. So let me show you guys the damage. So the damage is all right here. It's all front end damage. So I don't know what happened. It goes straight. You know how forks are usually straight, and then it goes down. Yep, and then down, and then snaps right here. We also lost some spokes. Some spokes were broken and popped out the rim itself. Oh, where'd it go? Yeah, I don't know if you guys see that, but there's a spoke missing right there. It's actually right there. That's not my bad. And some of these spokes are actually loose. And seeing that's fixed, and then the axle bolt is actually bent. And as you can see, the tires rubbing against the the right shock fork. And then as you can see up here, Yamaha's governor, it's snapped off from the carburetor. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to fix that. And also, I am off camera because I have to use my camera to look inside the cylinder. Inside the cylinder, there is rust. It's not really see. When I push it over, when I kick it over, it doesn't. You know how you usually kick it and you will feel compression and stuff. Like when you push it down, it feels like it has compression, but you don't feel the piston going up and down. But you put it in gear and the wheel moves. So when you push it over, so yeah. So I'm gonna have to clean out. Well, I threw some PB Blast in there right now. That's why you can't kick it over right now. So that's why it feels like it seized. So yeah. So I'm gonna try and do a little conversion. I want to see if this triple clamp and everything will come off. I'm gonna take everything off, and we're gonna switch it with my TTR 90. And I'm gonna see if it fits. If it fits, then I'll just buy another TTR 90 front end, and then we'll just put it on the other one, and then keep it on this one, the other one on this one. So you gotta get a battery. It's also electric start and kickstart. So gotta get a battery for it. And then the choke looks like it works. I'm guessing this is a vacuum line to something, maybe. Yeah, but yeah. So the seat comes off. Put the seat aside. Alright, they have the CDI still, Yamaha. I don't know if there's any performance mods in here or not. I doubt it. So yeah, so it doesn't have a key, so I don't know if I look inside of there, but it's like this part is twisted this way, and the keyhole is actually a little bit more to the right. So yeah, so I gotta figure out how I'm gonna deal with that. Yeah, that's pretty much it, basically. Yeah, and this one, the rear tire is actually flat. Shock looks pretty good. There's no up and down play. The chain looks alright. Yamaha generous enough to give us a secondary fuse. Why don't you look at that? It was last registered in 2015. It's not that bad though. It just front end damage. That's alright, man. I'll see any gas in there, so that's pretty much it. So in the next video, I'll show you guys what it'll look like stock, like actually stock. So all these graphics are not stock, so I'm gonna take these off. And yeah, so I'm gonna end it off here. Make sure you guys like and subscribe for more, and we're gonna get this one done. So yeah. Peace.